How to recover deleted photos on an iPhone from years ago. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted photos on an iPhone from years ago. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Then tap on Recently Deleted. Next, tap on any video or image you want to recover. Now tap on the three dots from the top right corner. Then tap on Recover. After that, tap on Recover Video or Recover Photo to restore it. Now go back to Settings. Then tap on your Apple ID. Here, check for any backup settings related to iCloud or device sync. Then scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now tap on Photos to check the status of your photo storage. This should help you determine if you can recover older photos that might still be backed up in your cloud or device storage. If it's been more than 30 days, you might need to check your iCloud or iTunes backup for older photo recovery options. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.